URL. It is an easy to remember web address for your YouTube channel. Examples: youtube.com your custom name or youtube.com/c/your custom name. Why to set custom URL? By pasting custom URL in address bar, one can directly visit your channel homepage. No need to use any video link to visit your channel. Who can set custom URL? Any YouTuber whose channel is at least 30 days old, who has 100 plus subscribers, who has uploaded channel logo or icon, who has uploaded channel art. Steps to set YouTube custom URL. Go to youtube.com.
Type in youtube.com in address bar.
If you have your channel, then select your channel.
Next, we need to go to your channel. So this is the channel which has already been created, but I would like to show you how to change the URL and make it a custom URL.
Go to setting.
So the next step is to go to the settings.
Click on view advanced settings.
Now here we find there is the third option, view advanced settings. So click on view advanced settings. Under this, if you see, as we can set up YouTube exactly the way we want.
Select custom URL and change it the way you want.
So this is the username of my channel, this is channel ID, and we see here this is the custom URL, the third option, which has already been set. But if you want to set for your channel, you need to go to this, click here, and then we can select or type in the name which we want.
Preferably, URL should contain your channel name, your website name, if available. Remember, URL cannot be changed once saved. So select name very carefully. Example, my channel name is TechProSVB and my custom URL is youtube.com/c/TechProSVBusker. If you want your audience to visit your channel, then you need to share this custom URL with your audience. You can see, instead of sharing link of any particular video, if you share this URL, then one can go to the homepage of your channel and possibility of viewing other videos also increases.